Hi, my name is Carol and I'm here to do a review on a Serrated ceramic cutlery 6-inch serrated utility knife I got in from Amazon, which I did prime shipping, so got here really fast. I'm really excited about this knife. Let's look at it. So it comes in this kind of box, has a magnetic closure, so you can, if you keep it well enough, it is cardboard, you can keep it and use it as a storage box. Let's take it out. My family's big into knives. You see it's the thick, heavy foam. It has a Zytel handle. It's pretty solid. You know, I can't tell. It doesn't appear to be full tang, but I can't really tell from looking at it. So it has this thick plastic reusable sheath. It actually has a little bit of a bend to it here. It's not solid, so there is some give. So you shouldn't have trouble getting stuck. It looks amazing. I don't know if you can see it right here. It looks like real metal. My son took this out. He's older. I say son, but he's 20. Big knife collector. And he was like, this is metal. You can see where they grind it, they ground it down and everything. It was like it's ceramic. He fought me on it. So I'm really amazed by how ceramic knives have come. And over here, you can see it has a Serrated marking on it. It's a 6-inch serrated knife. They're harder to resharpen, but this one is very sharp. I'm afraid to push down. I can barely run it across my fingers because it will cut them. I love the sheen on it, and I love the really dark finish. It's like a black finish, almost stone washed a little bit. But it does look metal, and it does look like you can see where they ground it down, because the grind goes straight across here, but down here where the serrations are, it's going the opposite direction. The grind is going down. So I got a piece of bread, an end piece of bread, so we can check out. I haven't cut with it yet. Let's see how it will cut in the bread. It's a utility knife. You can't really cut with anything, even though on Amazon they kind of stress it's a bread knife because of serrations, but you can pretty much use it to cut anything. This would really cut through a watermelon, I'll tell you that right now. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, I tore it off at the end, so I didn't cut my paper plate, but it definitely cut easily. I would suggest hand washing this knife. Let's see what it says on the box here. They're saying that ceramic blade is harder than steel, and of course ceramic's not going to rust or corrode, so you don't have to worry about that. So it's a perfect match for a kitchen. I do know that I have other ceramic items, and they are really sharp, and they keep their, I guess you want to say, sharpness a lot longer than regular steel knives. I have to sharpen my regular knives all the time, and with my ceramic paring knife that I have, I still slice myself open with it if I miss my vegetables. So be really, really careful with this. It will stay strong. The handle, they're saying, is a rubberized with comfortable grip. So I guess I was wrong on the Zytel. I thought it was Zytel. And you can see down in here, I don't know if you can look, it has a very, very tight seal. So you shouldn't have to worry about any gunk or anything forming in there, causing bacteria to grow. My son's trying to sneak up on me while I'm doing my video. It has a lifetime, no questions asked replacement guarantee. They're a really good company to work with, and anything with Amazon, especially if you do prime shipping, Amazon's fantastic for returns. So I wouldn't have to, never worry about that. And on the box, down here in white, it's kind of hard to see on the video, but down here on the bottom of the box, it actually gives you the website, so you can't lose it even because it's on the box. Address so you can register for your warranty, www.sestaridkitchen.com. So I'll be, doing that when I get off here. Let's see. That says non-porous, not going to alter the taste, smell, or appearance of food. It is very lightweight. Let's see if how balanced it is. Can I balance this? It's a big knife. I don't know if I can balance this because it's kind of sharp here. Oh, I guess it's not overly balanced. We do the balance test on some of these things. It comes down here before the middle, so I guess I'd have to balance it right there at the bend. We always play with that, see if we can balance the knives. But it is very lightweight in the hand. It's very solid. It was pretty easy to use. My mom has arthritis. I think she'd still be able to get a really solid grip because it's a fat rubbery handle. So I think she'd even be able to handle it really well without slipping, having it slip and cutting herself. So that's good to know too. You got to think, unfortunately, we're getting older, so you got to think, if I get a really good product, do I get to use it long term? And so if you get the arthritis in your hands, I think this will still be really good. And like I said, if you treat this right, you should have this for a long time because the ceramic blades, they stay tough a lot longer than the steel are going to, and they're going to last longer too. Alrighty. Trying to think what else we can talk about the knife. Like I said, I would hand wash it. I wouldn't put anything like this through the wash machine. I mean the dishwasher. Like I said, I do everything by hand. So like I said, I would just do it a nice light washing. It should come clean really easily, and then I would just dry it off lightly or let it air dry in your dish drainer before putting it away to make sure no mildew or anything starts to grow. You want to make sure it's thoroughly dry. And my son is a camera. He loves cameras, so he wants to get back on it. But see, it slips in and out really easily. I'm really liking this knife. And I know we're going to have it in our family for a long time. It would make a great gift, that's for sure. Like I said, my 20-year-old is eyeing it. So when he moves out, he better not be trying to take this knife from me. I'll have to get him his own. But if you have any other questions, you just have to look up the Sestari Ceramic Cutlery 6-inch serrated utility knife on Amazon. And I'm very impressed by all their kitchen stuff. It's not the first kitchen item from them I've had, and I just love their products. All right, well, thank you so much. Bye.